A great day of trade. Perhaps the vote on account was an event that we got out of the way, and post that you did see a pretty steady rise on the frontline indices as we saw it pass the level of 6100 for the first time in 3 weeks. So it was up by a good 53 points on the index, 6127, as the Sensex notched up 170 points. The broader markets, they moved pretty much in tandem with the frontline indices, and the market breadth was in favor of the advancing side. It was the Bank Nifty futures which really fueled the gains. So for the day, you saw a good rise of over 2% on the Bank Nifty. Capital goods followed suit, but it was FMCG and the IT index that remained a bit lackluster in trade today. JSPL was your top gainer, HDFC, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. So pretty much all of the banking names really dominated the list of gainers in today's session, and that was really where you saw all of the action. Quite a few results for the day. ABB up first, and a great set of numbers. You had the bottom line, the top line growth, which came in above what the street was expecting. Very steady margins also at 6.8% versus 3.2%. The order backlog stood at 7,709 crore rupees, and there was a sequential growth in most of the verticals except the process automation, which in fact showed growth. So finance costs, they stood up by close to 56%. Gujarat Pipavav, in fact, the stock reacted very well as the profits came in at 77 crores. That's up a good 113%. The adjusted profit came in at 60 crore rupees, and you had the EBITDA margins, which were 65% versus 52.8%. An exceptional item as well this time. GSK Pharma flat moved the results. You had it lower by 15% on a year-on-year basis, and the net sales at 630 crores. Kolte Patil, that was in focus, signing 2 new redevelopment projects in Mumbai. Hindustan Zinc was a bit lackluster after the government postponed the minority stake sale, citing comfortable liquidity. Apart from that, you had Reliance Broadcast. The delisting offer will be getting a maximum of 65 to 7 in bids in the 65 to 70 rupee range. Remember, the Reliance Broadcast reverse book building offer closes today. Alstom India, 25 million euros contract from NTPC kept it active. Zilog reacted to its numbers yesterday post-market hours, where the losses widened to 194 versus 34 crore rupees, and the net sales were down 14%. HCL Technologies, that was a bit muted today. GAIL India gave up some of its gains. ITC and Bharti Airtel lost out.